This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can change the ISO value on this drone. So in the beginning, enter the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Then below shutter button, look for this icon and tap on it. Now here select the first section, then switch the properties into manual mode by selecting this little M letter. And now you can adjust the ISO value and set it anywhere between 100, or it lagged for some reason. Let me get to, well, and yeah, as you can see, you can set the shutter value anywhere between 100 and, well, 1600 respectively. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.